Welcome to Schoen Home. So it's the day after Thanksgiving. We're really tired. I catered 2 Thanksgivings, one in person, one drop off, and then a third for us. So I'm in my pajamas. I'm really tired, but we wanted to do like a special edition for Thanksgiving and show you what we like to do with leftovers.
What do you do with leftovers? That's always the thing.
Well, my favorite thing is a turkey sandwich, but we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do an open face turkey sandwich, okay? And so I have leftover turkey that I put in a pot with my leftover gravy. So now the turkey is coated in the gravy because you know how it can be dry the next day?
Yeah, it dries out overnight.
Okay, and then I cooked some applewood smoked bacon, and I'm going to put that in with the turkey.
Is that like pulled turkey? Is that kind of shredded turkey?
It's kind of shredded. Okay, so now we're going to basically make, oh my God, like an open face. And you don't have to eat the bread if you don't want to.
What's just so fun about this is, I mean, I usually just go with the cranberry sauce and I get some turkey and I stick it in the plate, but this is a whole nother thing.
This is a whole nother level, right? I don't know. I think that might be enough, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, and then,
Now what?
last but not least,
Oh, of course.
we've got some fries.
Traditional Thanksgiving fries.
Yeah. Well, we didn't have any stuffing left over, and we didn't have any mashed potatoes left over, and we didn't have any cranberry sauce left over. So I said, all right, let's have some French fries with this. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am excited. It looks like some wild French dish, you know?
Yeah.
With the sauce in that. Oh,
There you go.
what a nice meal to have day after Thanksgiving.
Right?
Really fun.
A little ketchup in there for you?
Yeah.
For your fries? Yeah. That's it, guys. Not working hard today.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. You deserve a break.
Okay. So we're going to get some chairs. We're going to sit. We'll talk for 5 minutes, and we'll be back.
Okay.
So I guess I didn't mention it before, but we have some brioche toast. It's kind of like a Texas toast, but in brioche. And I toasted it so that we could put the hot turkey on the bread with the gravy and not have it get totally soggy. Yeah. You know, growing up, I've always loved turkey, even when it's not Thanksgiving. And I told you this before, we had all these diners in my town that I grew up in, and we'd always go to the diner, and I'd always get like a turkey platter, like with mashed potatoes and gravy, and I love dipping my French fries in the gravy. So this is like,
I love that.
Better than Thanksgiving.
I love that.
For me. This is my favorite part.
Well, all this Thanksgiving is my favorite because once a year I go see my dad's family, and we gather in Long Island.
Right.
It's Thanksgiving. We have a huge feast and
in Cold Spring Harbor.
In Cold Spring Harbor, and have a big feast and play touch football, which usually meant that the little kids would get picked up and someone would put a ball in their hands, and then we'd run around with a kid with a ball.
So cute.
And then at Christmas we go to see my mom's family. But Thanksgiving means to me my dad's family.
Yeah.
And it's a really good bunch. I really like them.
So good.
Oh. Wow. When I was a little kid, my great uncle, my grandmother's brother named Dick Stevenson, would come, and he always, his pockets were always full of balloons and treats for the kids.
Oh.
And he would show up, and all the kids would go crazy because he'd blow these giant balloons that were sort of, they're kind of wiggly shaped balloons, but they're really long.
Yeah.
And he'd twist
them
up, all of it. And that's who I was named for.
Oh. Fun.
Really fun.
Well, I think Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. Because it's not religious. It's very family oriented. I love the food. You don't have to get anybody presents.
Right.
You know, it's really just all about eating.
I think my kids used to look at me, with an "oh, Dad" look, because I'd usually give a toast at Thanksgiving when we sit down, and I'd say, "This is about giving thanks.
Giving thanks.
Give thanks. Really give thanks. Be thankful today. Be thankful. That's what today's about."
What are you
Family and
thankful for
friends.
this year?
I'm very thankful to be with you, and I'm thankful that my kids are okay, and my mom's okay, and my brother and my sister, my immediate family, and their spouses and kids. It's a really difficult time for everybody,
Yeah.
and I think it's hardest now, even as we maybe can see the light at the end of the tunnel, because it's been a while. People are restless and bored and frustrated and depressed, and
It's very hard times, but
the end's coming.
well,
It's right there.
we're-
We'll get there. I'm
the
really
new
grateful
beginning.
For that. I am grateful for the new things coming.
good.
And this sandwich.
And your sandwich. Well, we hope you guys had a really good Thanksgiving. I look forward to getting some rest and relaxation,
Yeah.
going into a turkey coma after the sandwich. Thanks for watching, guys. You can do it.
We see you soon
We'll see you soon.
after Thanksgiving.
Yeah.